Yeah, loblollies, they have kind of like a pine needle look in the leaves.
Yeah.
But they're not. They're really soft, almost rubber-like leaves.
Cool.
In fact, animals like breaking the branches off and using them for beds. So they're part of the pine tree family. Well, like I say, you're in the
Something like that.
It is. Some of these trees, not some of these around here, some of the bigger ones like this one coming up, 300-400 years old. But some of our trees around here are almost 1,000 years old.
Alligators here?
By the way, those are our metal birds. The metal, yeah. For a while. Usually they actually keep their leaves for a long time, way into December. And then halfway through, they're pretty much done with the leaves. And then trees are going to about midway through February, late February, you start seeing one or two loblollies are usually the first ones to come back. They pop back green, and then slowly over the next month they populate. A lot of times, especially in a densely populated forest, trees are crashing into each other, and they tear, some of them up and beat them up. But instead of just dying, they try to fix themselves and heal. And if it doesn't heal, well, the tree just keeps growing around the bad part, and that's a fun river too. I've been kayaking out here on the big river for about 12, 13 years now. In fact, I was out there the other day with a whole bunch of high school kids. While I was out here, it's kind of like herding cats.
I'm sure, right?
I had to save about 5 of them because I saw 5 of them were just not paddling as we instructed.
That river moves a little too, right?
It does. Now, parts of it does. It's actually broken up into 3 different sections because we'll take different trips based on those sections, based on how crazy it is. But that's the funny thing about them. And kind of look like little alligator mouth. They're bottom feeding fish, so they're not really that tasting that good, but they startle easy. And our paddles are in the water sound. Very peaceful. That looks like what it's not yesterday. Oh, did you?
That big lake, maybe like 30 minutes outside of Columbia.
Come on, this little path that we're going through right here is actually the fastest part of the river. That tree that fell down once in here picks up with the river, so there's always a bottom to it. Another big web right there.
whole
Yeah.
time, and then they come here and they go, wow, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's
And log fancy right here. Get up here and get out and just pull you up next to it and get you out like that. Now, your legs hadn't been doing anything for about 3 hours, so they're gonna be a little wobbly.
yeah.
So we'll get you out carefully, and nobody's in a rush getting out. You know, you take the time it needs to get
Okay.
out.
Thank you.